Welcome back. Today we are in the apex mountain, the ultimate neighborhood of all neighborhoods, and that is the Northwest Alphabet District, or AKA Northwest 23rd. The reason why I say that is because regardless of where you live, any neighborhood in Portland, Northwest 23rd is the street where Portland really steps up its game. We have world-class restaurants, we have unbelievable coffee shops and bakeries and cafes, and we have some of the best shopping in the Pacific Northwest right here on Northwest 23rd. And you're gonna see in this video that the homes within this area are absolutely stunning. So the pride of ownership is not left only on the homes, it's also on the actual main street of Northwest 23rd in and of itself. It's a stunning, pristine, and absolutely gorgeous main street running through this area. Northwest 23rd Alphabet District is in between. It's right in the center of everything. So you're just up from the Pearl, you're up from downtown Portland, and you're also just a little bit down from Forest Park. And so even though it's close to all of those things, it's its own universe, it's its own world. This neighborhood, I mean, I could spend probably 3 hours just filming the homes and how gorgeous they are. I could spend 3 days going through every shop here on Northwest 23rd. So in the spring, and in the height of spring, this neighborhood is a whole other experience. All the gardens are in full bloom, and there's a ton of gardens around here. There's beautiful landscaping. You have the wisteria, you have cherry blossoms, you have jasmine, all of it. It's really, really a beautiful place. So I'll be back. But one of the reasons why we're here is not only to leisurely explore this fabulous neighborhood, we have the most incredible condo that is available, I think, for the money here in the Northwest District. It is just a little bit under 900 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and it's in a historical mansion. And it's just unbelievable. I can't wait to show you guys. The architectural details within this condo are stunning. You have stained glass, you have molding, you have beautiful woodwork, and it's just laid out so cool. It's just a beautiful home. So I can't wait to take you guys on a tour of that. In the meantime, let's go and let's explore the wonderful, fabulous, and unbelievably beautiful Northwest 23rd, Northwest Alphabet District. We have unbelievable weather. It's almost frightening because if it's this warm and sunny in February, I'm a little bit worried about how hot the summer is going to be. But anyway, I am on Marshall in between 25th and 26th, and some of my favorite homes are on this street. I'm going to turn the camera around in a minute, but I just met a few of the neighbors who are walking their dogs, and everyone is lovely. And there are blossoms on either cherry or plum trees. I'm not sure. So I'm also going to turn around and show you those as well. So enjoy. So right now, we are in front of arguably one of my favorite listings in all of Portland right now. And this is a ground level condo, which is part of a 4-unit building that is that's converted from a historical mansion. And in the tour, I'll give you all the dates and information about when this was built and who it was designed by. But for the sake of this intro, to keep it short, this condo is extraordinary. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It's a little under 900 square feet. It's for $460,000. You have your own private patio. You have your own private entrance, which I'm standing in right now. You're in the heart of the beautiful and stunning Alphabet District in Northwest 23rd. And the HOA is only $337 a month, which is absolutely crazy. It's bananas because no other HOA is going to be that low over here. The HOA covers maintenance, insurance, management, sewer, water, and trash. So let's go inside and have a fabulous tour of this beautiful and historical home. Welcome to the historic Sanborn House, a stately converted mansion in the heart of Northwest Portland. Designed by the renowned firm Benz, Hendrick & Toby, prominent Oregon architects of the early 1900s, this residence is a rare opportunity to own a true piece of the city's architectural history. Enter through a grand yet intimate lobby where an oval rondo stained glass skylight casts colored light across rich millwork, period moldings, and beautiful leaded glass details. An unforgettable first impression that sets the tone for everything to come. Inside the home, the main living area is filled with character and warmth. Hardwood floors run underfoot, oversized picture windows bring in incredible natural light, and a wood-burning fireplace anchors the space with timeless charm. One of the most special moments, a stained glass door that leads directly out to your own private sunny patio. The architectural continuity flows into the kitchen where vintage character meets everyday function, and then into the primary suite, a peaceful retreat layered with classic details. Here you'll find beautiful natural light, custom built-ins surrounding another fireplace, and room for a desk or sitting area that makes the space feel both cozy and luxurious. The spacious bathroom continues the historic narrative with vintage tile work and even a charming old safe, a subtle nod to the stories these walls could tell. Practical comforts are here too: central air conditioning, in-unit laundry, updated systems, minimal steps, and direct access to the side entrance leading to parking. Plus, each unit enjoys dedicated basement storage with incredible potential. And beyond your front door, lush landscaping, a grand covered wraparound porch, and one of Portland's most beloved neighborhoods. Just blocks to the shops, cafés, and restaurants of Northwest 23rd, you get the perfect balance of walkable urban energy and peaceful residential beauty. Timeless architecture, modern livability, and a dress that truly delivers. This is the Sanborn House. we are going to be ending the night at St. Jack's in Palomar. St. Jack's is my favorite French restaurant here in Portland. There are a lot of great French-inspired restaurants in the city, but St. Jack's delivers all the time. So if you want quintessential French cuisine that's consistent and classic, I highly recommend St. Jack's. So let's go inside. Let's enjoy a meal at St. Jack's.